spamming you once again with good spam. Here's some carpentry work I've done. Quick 1-minute video. I did that radius, those radiuses, that wall. This cool little hidden door for the kids to play with. I did these barn doors and the assembly. Built-in lockers for holding your stuff. I also did each built-in on each side of the fireplace, which turned out really good. And this is a really cool house. Did not work on the beams, but the ceiling's beautiful. The kitchen's beautiful. It's just an all-together awesome house. I really like their table mats. A chunk of wood with their initial on it. But look at this fireplace. How awesome is that? And what I'm working on currently is I'm gonna build a piece of furniture for this spot and that spot that they're gonna turn into an antique thing. Like I said, this is gonna be a short video, as most of my videos are here and there. I just wanted to show you guys this cool house. Oh wait, look. I've also got to build legs for that. In my painting, if anybody remembers it, I painted my wife poison ivy and Lego. That's the piece of wood I cut out and painted on it. Yeah, this is a super cool house. Anyways, thanks for subscribing. Much love to all. I'm gonna go finish my break and upload this. I've got the air conditioner running. It's a little warm out today. And there's the portable cabinet shop. Once again, thanks for subscribing. Much love to all.